Hello and welcome back to Petrol Magazine. Today we're spilling some industry tea the cars mechanics secretly can't stand working on. They're popular, they're everywhere, and they're the kind of vehicles that look innocent until you try to fix them. From overcomplicated engines to parts buried behind 37 plastic clips, these are the cars that turn even the chillest mechanic into a rage monster. Before we start wrenching on your feelings, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Has your mechanic ever looked at your car and sighed audibly? If so, it might be on this list. Let's get into it. On the outside, it's cute, quirky, and full of personality. On the inside, it's a mechanical nightmare in tight jeans. The 2007 to 2013 Mini Cooper, especially the turbocharged Cooper SR56, features a 1.6-liter engine that's jammed into an engine bay tighter than your uncle's pants after Thanksgiving. Want to replace the thermostat housing? Hope you have 3 elbows and a tiny ratchet. Oh, and did we mention timing chain failures, oil leaks, and electronics that go haywire for sport? Mechanics hate working on them. You'll hear them mutter words that are not in the factory manual. The E70 BMW X5 is a luxury SUV that screams success until you pop the hood. If you've got the N62 or N63 V8, congratulations. You've just brought your mechanic a German anxiety attack. Valve stem seals, timing chain guides, vacuum leaks, electrical gremlins, and plastic cooling system parts that disintegrate if you look at them wrong. Everything's buried under something else. It's like trying to fix a Rolex using kitchen tools. And while you're waiting, enjoy a $300 oil change and a Loaner 3 Series from 2009. Yes, it's on another list, and with good reason. The 2001 to 2010 PT Cruiser is the car that somehow manages to be both unpleasant to look at and equally unpleasant to work on. The engine bay was clearly designed by someone who thought mechanics enjoy puzzle boxes and pain. Changing the alternator? Say goodbye to your weekend. Timing belt? Bring snacks and emotional support. Mechanics see one roll in and their first instinct is to run diagnostics on their own mental health. Built for utility? Yes. Built for easy maintenance? Not even a little. The 2010 to 2018 Transit Connect is a mechanic's least favorite toolbox on wheels. Everything under the hood is wedged in at weird angles, and changing basic parts like the serpentine belt or even spark plugs requires more swearing than skill. They're great for delivery drivers and mobile detailers, but not for the poor soul who has to remove half the engine bay just to fix a vacuum line. Let's put it this way. The connect part refers to how tightly everything is connected. Audi makes beautiful cars, but the 2005 to 2015 Audi A4, especially with the 2.0 TFSI or TFSI engines, is one of the most mechanic-frustrating daily drivers ever made. The engine bay is cramped, plastic parts love to crack, and carbon buildup is a guaranteed guest by 80,000 miles. Want to do the timing chain? Cool, you'll be removing the entire front clip. That's not a joke. That's called service position. Audi thinks that's normal. Mechanics don't hate the car, they just question their life choices every time they work on one. And there you have it, 5 cars mechanics secretly hate, but people keep buying anyway. They're fun, practical, and sometimes even stylish. But under the hood, they're the stuff of nightmares. If your mechanic ever gives you a long pause before saying, "Yeah, we can take a look at it," you now know why. So be nice to your mechanic, tip them if they cry, and maybe, just maybe, next time buy something with room to turn a wrench. Let us know in the comments, did your car make the list? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real-world car advice, mechanic confessions, and brutally honest reviews, right here on Petrol Magazine. Thanks for watching, and remember, some cars break down. Others just break the people fixing them.